On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. I'll let my son say it. You guys ready?
All right, buddy, you got to start. Say gang, gang, gang.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right, here we go. So looking at Bitcoin. Job, buddy.
Dun,
I was short. I just wasn't too convinced
dun,
on it.
dun, dun.
Good job.
Yeah, boy. Little man. Little man. One more time, little man.
I was short. I just wasn't too
Dun,
convinced on it.
dun, dun.
Good
Gang,
job, buddy.
gang, gang. My son, he's been practicing. His favorite thing to do is run around the house and go, gang, gang, gang. Oh, man. Yesterday with the update.
All right, buddy, you got to start. Say gang, gang, gang.
This was the update.
Dun, dun, dun.
Let's go. Happy Friday, everybody. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful, beautiful morning. Little man coming through with the gang, gang, gang. Bitcoin. Woke up with a Woody. That's all I got to say. Let's jump into the chat. What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hopefully you all caught the morning wood. Massive push up here. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Happy Friday, guys. What a week. What a week, to say the least, man. Holy smokes. It's been a very memorable, eventful week for me. Closing out on the house. I've done pretty well considering this price action. I mean, Monday, Chop City. Tuesday, Pump City. Consolidation here. Yesterday was, get your yo-yos out, everybody. Managed to short this puppy here. Very nice trade. $2,200 in profits. Bull divs here. Level given advance. We were looking at USD. Okay, so here's my play right now. Okay, so we were talking about golden pocket 786, and we were also talking about the USD versus the USD charts, right? On Bybit, right? So we were talking about USD futures versus. Okay, look at the. Is this the one or is it spot? Do you guys use spot? anyways, it's different. Okay, it's different. The spot one, I believe the low. Which one was it? It's USD. It's USD. Yeah, it's USD. BTC USD. And it is, the low is different. The low does not work for the golden pocket. It didn't take the low properly. The golden pocket worked on this one. This low on the USD one is up here. Didn't even sweep the low. This one swept the low, and it gave the golden pocket bounce level for the gang. So I think the USDT one has won. I don't know why this low is different on the exchange versus the USD versus USDT, but I find the volume in general better on the USDT chart. Maybe I'm just crazy, but it's working. If it's working, why would you change it? So Bitcoin flying off the wazoo this morning. Hopefully everybody's had a beautiful morning. Little bit toppy here. Golden pocket rejection has been prevalent. Okay, we took the golden pocket rejection here. I let everybody know that I got short. And then we had this very violent V-shaped recovery. So if you weren't taking profits on the way down, yeah, you're round tripped. Sorry. That's all I got to say about that. The orb was super tight yesterday. We held that, and then we climbed back into the new golden pocket. Bearish divergence, SFP, rotation back down to golden pocket again. 3 drives, break of high, retest SFP, continuation up. So there's been quite a plethora of opportunities, but some very janky price action. It's been a take the trade, leave a runner, and it hasn't changed much along those lines. So we'll see what we get today. New York has been, well, I mean, I'm preparing for some massive tweety Donald Trumps this morning. We'll see what we get, but wild times. What's going on, George? Good to see you, Andre. God bless. Good morning, El Candels. Ghost of Odyssey, my man. I didn't refill my coffee. Give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds. I need coffee. Oh, yeah. See? I always put a pot on for the first one, so I have it right before. Like, I make my nice one, and then I put a pot on for the stream. And normally I fill it up before the stream, but I failed to do that. Salute. Happy Friday, everybody. What's going on, George, Andre, Vinro? The second one's never as good. ADH Trader, Army Piper, Johnny, how's it going? Cubanadian, Ashant's proof of work. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. How's everybody's trading this week? You guys are all making big money this week, eh? 44% of you up. It's because you come here early. Watch, this will deteriorate as time goes on. Congratulations, though, on your profitable week. 44%. That's a lot of people, man. You guys must be doing something, right? Andre, Shreyan, Pandy, good to see you, B-Rad. Anybody spamming their F5? And truthful, yeah. I'm prepared for it too, man. I think, every weekend has been something. Some sort of tweet, some sort of pain, some sort of whatever manipulation. Alexander G, good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. God bless. Curtis Hill, my man. How you doing, bro? Froth Dog, Michael. Nadeem, how you doing, Nadeem? Good to see you, Steve Hickey, Madara, Jesse, Laurent. Good to see you guys. Rebellious Toe. What's going on, Harry? First time here. Good morning. Welcome, Harry. We talk a lot of smack. We take the trades. We show the trades. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10. Doing it daily, man. Crushed it yesterday. Don't mind the otters. There's lots of otters here. Utterly fantastic people. Talk a lot of smack. Make a lot of money. Vinny, what's going on? Andre? Yeah, little man cuteness for sure. WB, good to see you. Sim, Christine, Wayne Rossi, Rebellious, good morning. The only thing I do require is a good morning. That's why we go through and say good morning to everybody in the morning. It's going to be like, if this channel continues to grow, which is, I put a good, I put like a stopper to that because I talk a lot of shit, right? Like, for me, this is more like hanging out. I'm not really here to like influence you. If anything, I'm here to protect you from taking stupid trades. I take my trades, you take your trades. It's never financial advice. However, I show you everything every single day. Yesterday did 2,500, something like that. Yeah. Account was at 20K. We're at 3,730 now. 23,730. We just deposited 20K in profits. When was that? That was Tuesday or Monday, something like that. So we're taking the trades, we're depositing the money, we're showing you how we do it on a daily basis, and hopefully we can help you do that for yourself, man. That's what it's about, man. I like hanging out. I'll click the buttons however I click the buttons. But I like hanging out and talking shit. What's up, Chantel? Good to see you. Happy Friday. Chantel's put up with me for quite a long time, too, right now. Mojo Jojo. Good to see you, Zaya. But yeah, the only thing I do require is say good morning. Don't be a weirdo. Okay? And I will offend you. Some way or another, I will offend you. I hand out, it's like participation tickets. If you're here, I will offend you. I'll mess up your name. I'll probably make fun of your name. I'll probably tell a dirty joke that's way too far. And you can laugh or you can leave. That's totally up to you. And the ladies who stay around, you guys are the real ones, man. You send me over that profile, and we will do applications, guys. 6 feet, 6 figures, 6 inches. I'm still taking applications for Alexander G. Guys, it's some pretty bad resumes out there. Cool, Mark. Good to see you, Triple. Good to see you, Dread Mining. Crypto Hefe, Dusty, my man. 1 minute ascending head and shoulders is a punk ass. Yeah, this guy here. Yeah, so if you're picking it apart, Dusty, man. You're picking it apart. So instead of a head and shoulders, Dusty, because I love you, why isn't this just bids coming in, right? So we have bids coming in. We have strength here. We have consolidation, momentum break, continuation up. Maybe liquidity sweep into our golden pocket area, right? We can see prices getting pushed up, especially if we're trying to pick this apart on the 1 minute. It's important for us to see strength. I can see that if we look at volume here. So volume increase to push price in. Okay, here comes volume stepping up to hold price up. This is a sweep of the highs. So it took some liquidity here. That's what that told me. Some liquidity came out of the market from here. And then we have bids coming up to buy price action, bids coming up to buy price action, bids coming. Yeah, so you got buyers stepping up on the lows and trying to push price higher right now. So you might get a shoulder here, but maybe SFP rotation down, break, and go. And then you'd be like, ching. There's a lot of head and shoulders lately, isn't there, guys? It's, I sing this song quite often with my son. Knees and toes. We need a knees and toes. Knees and toes should be like double bottom, knees and toes. Double. Oh, I drew a dick. Sorry, guys. Too far already. It's Friday, baby. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. The knees and toes schlong. Aloha, Friday. Good to see you, Lava Man. Mickey. Good to see you, Cool Mark. Crypto Hefe. CJ. Mike Hunt. I love that. Or Mick Hunt. What's the difference between Mike and Mick? I don't know. It's a letter. Good to see you, Glenn, burning the boats. Dave Digital, my man, like 42, Cubanadian. Sold back to 87 or 83 first? 87. Oh man, I turn up the I guess the degenerate, I guess, on the Friday streams. Gunther, what's going on, Rich? Good to see you. Navy, Hydra, good morning, G1 Rip Squad Traders. Paul Hindenburg, the hottest air in all of crypto. Big Buck, down, BTC. I mean, we need to go down, but it is just, how can it go down when the NASDAQ is doing this, guys? We talked about this yesterday. How can the price go down when the NASDAQ is fucking vertical? Again, guys. Again, it doesn't. This is insane. I have never seen a V-shaped recovery like this. Have you guys? This one, yeah. Like you look at the chop down first. There's no chop down. This is just violence. Nothing. This one's pretty good here, but there's still violence at the bottom. This one was straight up. Yeah, all of these chop on the way up. There's at least some red daily candles here. There is nothing here. If this dumps, man, if we get like some sort of like, if we get something like this, where this is like, that's oil hitting the markets in 2 months. Just saying. But this is wild, man. Wild. I've never seen behavior like this on the DAC. And I watch the DAC, like you guys know. This is just escape velocity, if I was going to define it as something. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone again. AI adoption. Maybe someone who traded the some of you old fogies, I'm not trying to offend you. I'm saying you guys have experience, okay? Don't take it offensively. Who traded the .com bubble, right? Maybe you guys have some experience because we're getting that like AI bubble here. Like if you look at what was I looking at? Micron. Guys, look at Micron. Okay, this is chips and stuff, okay? Look at this recovery, right? Look at Marvel. Okay? This is AI stuff. It's vertical for stocks, right? So, bigger picture, right? Sorry about my Etch-a-Sketch here. But yeah, vertical. And then Bitcoin's vertical now. But it's not really escaping like the S&P or escaping like the NASDAQ, so Bitcoin's being suppressed. Even the Russell's doing really well, guys, so it's like I made some good calls on the Russell on the bull market. Continuation. Russell's still got 3,000. Yeah, good recovery here, so that's enough macro stuff. You guys are here to trade, right? Consolidation at the chop. Choppy at the toppy. Looking to come back down to VWAP. That's my opinion. Imbalance right here. Can we come down? I'd like SFP first, right? We got bear div here. SFP. Down we come. Let's see what we get today, everybody. Happy Friday. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. There's my 2 cents. Trader G. Good to see you. We'll do more top-down analysis as we go. Mamby Pambies. Sing Games. Good to see you, Rich. I'll offend you. Thank you. Ella. A hot dog is a sandwich, Michelle. Come on, don't be silly. When me and my wife, whenever we go through a drive-through, and we're ordering stuff, and if she's driving, which is very rare, I'll always order a hot dog, no bun. Always. Hey, do you mind giving me a hot dog, no bun? Could I get a hot dog, no bun, extra mayo, please? I love you too, Alexandra G. Good to see you, Rashad. Decent Crypto, Rashad. Good to see you. Antiques, Chris. Hey, Alex. Hi, Chris. How's it going? Uncle, Andre. Good to see you. God bless you too. And God bless you too. Antique. Is it a good time to buy crypto for long term? No. Never buy crypto for long term. Ask anybody who went through this. Put a 1 in the chat if you're still holding the bag. I mean, there's lots. I'm still holding a little bag. I'll admit it. That was a shit run, right? Don't sell it. I sold at 124, Bitcoin, some altcoins, stuff like that. But yeah, it's still holding a couple small bags for sure. That's part of it, man. Go watch Army Piper. He'll help you with that. He's got some DCA strategy thingamabobber thingy. We'll see. Good to see you, Rich. How you doing, man? Eric, good to see you. Cubanadian. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Rashad, Andy. Good morning, Andy. How you doing, bro? Marine Mike. God bless. My baby is ripping. Yeah, she's being suppressed, in my opinion. Solana is going to be the token of the future. You'll see. This is never financial advice, guys. I am not your dad. Okay. Solana is definitely, in my opinion, being suppressed right now. Don't mind my chart, okay? Yeah, Solana should be $98. Yeah. Don't mind my chart. If you can't handle the chart, it's okay. But they're holding it down, in my opinion, accumulating more. There will be a time when you'll be like, oh, Alex told me to buy Solana. Not financial advisory, but, at $80, and you'll be like, oh, shit, I should have listened. Just saying. $53. I think that's if we get the capitulation dump that I'm looking at. Where are we looking? $56. $57. That's your level. Okay? 57. I will buy more Solana than you have hair on your head, even if you're bald. You will grow hair. Yeah, this is just continuation, man. Pullbacks are for buying yet again on the Bitcoin price action. It's gonna be a great day, guys. Like it's an attitude here. Like this is not an easy market to trade. It's about taking the trades, protecting your downside, stop loss entry, letting it chop you up, but also running away with the profits. Because when the runners go, like if you got long in here and you got the runner, when the runners go, you make good money. Like I got short in here last night or yesterday afternoon, and it was just a simple golden pocket retracement, SFP, right? We got the continuation, and it absolutely died, which was great, right? So if you position yourself and you wait for your entries in this environment, you can make lots of money. If you don't, you'll get wrecked. So some people have, from what I've gotten from the Discord and the people who have been trading right now, there's a little bit of frustration, and then there's a little bit of like, this thing is crazy, and then there's also like, holy smokes, I can't believe I hit that trade. It's printing, right? Like we gave this level last night to everybody. I did multiple updates. Okay, we also gave this level again. Okay, so you got bear div, SFP, right? We all know how to trade that. We got bullish divergence, break structure, SFP, continuation up, right? So there's opportunity. It's just wading through this is the hard part. It is. Trading is waiting. Good to see you, Andy. Dread. Good to see you, Uncle. Why is the Nasdaq even doing this? Well, I think there's like a FOMO bid right now. Like the best time to buy the S&P is when it makes an all-time high. It's weird. The best time to buy the S&P is when it makes an all-time high because it's momentum based, right? So, yeah, I've seen that in 1999, right? And there's a constant look at that shoe company. They put AI in their name and it skyrocketed. What was it? 300%, right? So it's a emotionally driven market, and you got orange men at the helm. So you're getting tweeted on, you're getting, supply shocks, you're getting tariffs, right? And you're getting inside traders. So our job, if we understand all of these factors that are going on with the market right now, what is our job? At minimum, it's just to participate as safe as possible, right? Because we don't know when he's going to tweet. Look at yesterday's live stream, right? We had double VWAP slap, triple VWAP slap, right? Yesterday's live stream, triple VWAP slap. Okay, I didn't take any of these trades in here, right? First one, okay, bullish momentum into VWAP, didn't want to take it. Second one was valid, double top, could have taken it. Trump tweets, boop, right? Because Trump tweets, for me, generally, I let the market bake a little bit because of the tweet. I want the market to digest it. We get another beautiful slap of VWAP. This would have been an A+ setup short, okay, and that would have been the short down here. Okay, didn't take it because of the tweet. Okay, so opportunity missed? Nah, I would say capital preserved, right? You can say, oh, you should have shorted that yesterday. Well, I shorted this puppy right here without a tweet, right? I shorted this guy right here. Stop loss to entry. I set it to the gang, and look what happened. Boo! I got paid, okay? Without tweets, with TA, right? Able to take the trade. So there's opportunity. Staying out, though, like not trading is it's going to lead to profitability because you're not putting yourself at risk of factors that aren't technical, right? We're here to be technical analysis. We're here to be technical traders. But we also, as scalpers, the problem is with being a scalper is that you're much more affected by news events because we're taking micro penis trade positions, right? Like if I'm taking the trade, I'm not putting my stop loss up here, guys. I'm gonna put it right here, right? So they tweet, I get stopped out, right? And then I get slipped, which is even worse, right? You get slipped for liquidity. But if you do want to get less slipped, you can go over and use our Bitunix link. Oh, transition power. Pinned in the comments. We are also going to include the new indicators, the Otter Gang indicators, both Lord Otter 1 and Lord Otter 2. If you use this link, we are setting up a magical Discord to verify it and to hook you guys up. So consider using the Bitunix link. The liquidity that AlexOCrypto trusts. That's as gay as I can get with that, okay, guys? Use your own links, whatever. I don't care what link you use. I just appreciate your support, okay, everybody? So waiting has allowed me to be profitable this week, if I'm being completely honest, and with last week, and lowering my position size, okay, because not taking $3,000 losses. I mean, max loss I've been taking is 1,000 on my trades, so I'm risking 1,000 to make 3,000 generally with my scalps, and it's been rewarding, but it's been a grind. I get it. Good morning, just a sub, goated. How to get indicator, sir? Just wait. I'll let you know. There's a process in play right now. Get everybody set up. Stop hunt, man. Of course it's stop hunt. It gives the absolutely. It gives the it allows the market makers to use whatever. It's just like FOMC or anything. He says, monetary policy and maximum employment, and we're gonna cut rates. Boom, they pump the market. They squeeze, right? There's always opportunity for the market makers to manipulate based on price action, but there's also a lot more participants coming in based on that news information, right? My bag's exploded. My wife is holding the bag. Crypto is historically great for long term, better than fiat. Good. My bags are dust, empty bags. There we go, right? Hidden. Ravi, please stop spam. You got told. I started getting profitable just by being patient. Don't trade the hot dog. There you go. That's fucking great advice. Don't trade the hot dog, right? We don't want to be noodle slapped. It's like the yellow pages, A++ pinching. I love the yellow pages, man. I used to use that phone book to sit in the car so I could see over the dash, and I still do. I should order a new yellow pages. Nice, Curtis Hill. That's awesome, bro. What's going on, Brillo? Good to see you. All right. Whoa, we're going to get a big bonus here from Bitunix too. Giveaway on the live stream. Whoa. We're going to be able to give away quite a bit of cash, guys. I've been working on a new campaign for everybody. We're going to be doing giveaways for using the link, and then we're going to be doing giveaways in the Discord and on the live stream. Holy smokes, that's a good chunk of change, guys. I'm just reading this now because my rep is in, I believe they're in Singapore. That's the place to be, guys. They don't let anybody in, though. I think they don't let anybody in. What's going on, Stuart? Good to see you. Good to see you, Kepo. Good morning, gang. Good morning, Traveling Studios. Andrew Cameron. 320 of you guys in here. Good morning, guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. 80 likes. I think we do a little bit better. I appreciate that. And I thank you for being here and supporting the gang. If you are going to Vegas, I'm looking forward to seeing you. I'm flying tomorrow. I will not be live streaming for you guys. I'll be live streaming for the gang, or at least updating. We'll see if I can get it all sorted at the hotel and stuff. I have my traveling pack. I don't know if I'm going to live stream in the morning. We'll see. Maybe I do a little bit of a live stream update early in the morning. But man, it's Bitcoin conference time, man. You guys should all be there. You guys can all join me, midget tossing booth. I'll be there with my Velcro suit on. You guys can chuck me at the wall. Tell me that I lost you millions of dollars and that you hate me. That's fine. I'll be there. I'll give you a big hug. I mean, I can't give a big hug. I'll give you a small hug, but it's a big candle energy, okay? Solana rollover, continuation down. Let's see here. Yeah, Solana slap, order block, continuation up. Standard deviation 1, NASDAQ. Here we go. Here's how it started yesterday, man. Very similar. Okay. Very, very similar. Eerily similar. Dusty's 1 minute head and shoulders is playing out perfectly. It's got like the Quasimodo shoulder here. We got the right? Maybe it's an Adam and Steve. There's an Adam and Steve, guys. Take your Adam and Steve tray, put your little winky down here, and you're good to go. Adam and Steve. Not for me. We'll see. I would like sweep into VWAP again. We're looking at that again. Okay, sweep into VWAP, continuation up. Golden pocket 786 resistance here, so a little bit of patience. Market safer, a little bit overextended on the short-term time frames. However, the hourly and the 2 hour look very juicy. They look very juicy. They look like they can go. I'd like to see them go, but that's a beautiful 2 hour candle, guys. Like, look at that. Oof, that is green dildo. So, and that hourly looks really good as well. Bull div, golden pocket, continuation up. Needs to break this high, guys. This needs to be mitigated at minimum. That's why we got a big line there. Okay? At minimum. Taking the trades, showing the trades. That's it. That's where we're at. So hopefully we can help you guys navigate the chart today. Coming into some choppiness. NASDAQ rolling over a little bit, but I mean, this thing's on fire lately. I would like rotation back down here. We can go swing low to swing high. Locally. Yeah. I like retest the previous highs in here more. I like this guy. We could look golden pocket. I think that's a little bit low for this morning, but how low can we go? We'll put it on just for gigs, right? I'd like to see us come into here. Mitigation. Rolling over here. I'd like to see Dusty get paid, though, on its head and shoulders Adam and Steve pattern. That's key. I love seeing you guys win. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. And put a 3 or some skis in the chat if you're sitting on your hands and waiting for a trade, baby, because that's where I'm at. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys being here. The rockets are coming. I'm safe, man. I'm in the mountains. I got shelter. I got, like, you know. This is AlexOCrypto, and this is where he lives. All right. And those are mountains. All right. We'll be all right. But that's a little bit too far, bro. It's not very nice. Long, shorts, hands, handyman. Dusty, you better be short now. You better be short now. No, I don't live in Iran. Or is it Iran? Or is it Iran? I don't know how to say it. I live in Iwak. That's where I live. I live in Iwak. Have you guys ever been to Iwak? Or sometimes I go to I Stroll. I Stroll or I Skip. You ever been to I Skip? Let's go Scotland, baby. Ryan. Did you say Ewok? How did you get Iraq, Iran? I sprint? I sprint? I stroll? I drive? I'm lazy. I drive, guys. Oh, man. Sitting, but little tiny swings. Yeah, this is a little bit weak. We can see the weakness here coming down here. We got pink boxes, man. We got pink box shorts. We got our bear div in here. We got our little otter. This is suggesting down, but guess what? Trend's up. We do have trend is up, so this is generally we want to buy these guys. But right now we don't want to fade this. We don't want to fade this move. However, I would like to do a little giveaway. Let's do a little giveaway, guys. Let's do a giveaway. Wave. Let's do a giveaway because it's Friday and I feel like it. How about that? That's why. All right. Everybody, go over here, subscribe to Wave Cipher, one of the traders in our Discord. Amazing human. He does late night streams for everybody, Asia. So links right here. If you don't mind going over to his channel, all you have to do is comment Otter Gang, like and subscribe. He's a great trader. He does great stuff. He's one of the traders in our Discord. He has his own little Discord. That's awesome too. Support other content creators. This guy, he streams in the evening, so you get, a good evening stream, and he gives good setups and all that stuff. And he's one of our traders. So go over here, comment Otter Gang, and I'll do a giveaway for membership. All right, now that we're waiting, Otter Gang, let's go, baby. And if you do want your heartstrings to be pulled, my son, what did it? Yeah.
All right, buddy, you got to start. Say gang, gang, gang.
Dun, dun, dun.
All right, here we go. So 16, good trade. And now it looks as though we have V-shape recovered. SFP'd the low. Job, buddy. Good trade. I told you guys I was short. I just wasn't too convinced on it.
Dun.
Good job.
Oh, man. Little man coming through for the gang. Let's go. Alex, show us your muscles. I do got muscles, man. I have resting buffness. I used to be a gym rat. Oh, man. I used to be a gym rat, for sure. But, I mean, muscles on a midget, I mean, it's like if Dave had big calves, Right? It's like if Dave had big calves or something, It's just muscles on a midget. It's not like... I could deadlift 350 around consistent. I would lift 300. I could do 350. Like my max was 350, but I could do 300-pound deadlift. How do you not get hoarse when talking for hours? I don't know, man. Coffee and water and singing metal music. We can say midget. Small people is just more offensive. I get more offended if you call me a small person rather than a midget. Right? Like if you're gonna call me stupid, call me a retard, right? Or say that's gay. I'm okay. You can offend me. I'll be all right. I'm from Toronto. All right? I'm born and raised in Toronto. Don't let Dave Digital throw me out. Dave's not allowed to throw you out. If he throws you out, guy, I'll give him a wet noodle slap. Have we all commented Otter Gang on that video? And subscribed? Did you guys subscribe to Wave Cipher? Can we get some more subscribers, please? 75 comments? That's not 75 subscribers. And if you're already an Otter Gang member, you can get some USDT, man. I'll hook you up. We'll do a couple of memberships or one membership. I don't know. What do you guys want? You guys go over here, comment Otter Gang, free membership to the best Discord in all of crypto. I mean, we'd be printing. We are absolute printaholics, okay? We're in Printerholics Anonymous. Right? The first problem is admitting that you make too much money. Right? 78 comments. Come on, guys. Can we get them to like 125? 20 more subscribers? 340 people in here. We can do it, guys. Come on. Slow chop roll over here. Nasdaq's still losing momentum here. So Nasdaq showing weakness. SPY enjoying the weakness as well. Key resistance here. SFP trying to push. Still no trade here in my opinion. We'll see where we get to. Bull divs in here trying to get going. Not somewhere where I'm longing, but we can look for the SFP of this low as well. 1 minute nasty. Nasdaq's good. SPY, where are we gapping today? Up. Yeah, we're gapping up again. Look at that, guys. You don't have to be a rocket scientist. You just got to know where the gaps are. Trade the gaps, mind the gaps. Look at that for the SPY, man. Pretty accurate. Pretty accurate. The gaps typically get filled. We don't talk about CME gaps here. If you do, I'll mute you. That's a real threat. That's not me being sarcastic. That's just straight up. Where are we at here? 123. Come on, guys. Let's get the subscribers up, man. Wave Cipher, incredible human, incredible trader. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Ladies and gentlemen. When the night. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. When the night has gone boom, 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 and the land has gone boom, boom. You need to stop cheating, bro. This guy's on fucking fire lately. You are on fire lately, bro. Susan. Fuck you. I guess you just open up another ticket, bro. Susan won yesterday. He won the swear jar the other day. Susan. This is rigged, bro. Susan. This is so rigged, man. Everybody in the family going to be mad at you, bro. Everybody in the family going to be mad at you, man. You are now number one enemy. Everybody in the family knows. Susan won the 100 USDT. I gave it to him yesterday. Susan, you're on fire lately, bro. Congratulations, Susan. He is already in the family, so we'll do a giveaway for you, bro. He won't tell me his real name, and I'm not trying to pronounce Sweetie Lelio. So we've been calling him Susan, and it's been lucky. Thank you guys for supporting Wave Cipher, guys. Good job. 124. Good job. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for supporting the traders in our community. I do appreciate that. Thank you guys for being here. 356 people, and Susan's cheating. There's a rollover. Dusty, man. You called the dump, man. NASDAQ rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over. Susan cheating. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I'm naturally short. This is rotation down. You guys all FOMO'd in. You guys all FOMOing in. Guy, everybody, Susan's short. Susan is short. Susan is short. Roger that. Sue, why didn't you give us a signal, man? Where's our signal, man? Up or down? It's weird, like every time I come live, someone asks me up or down. It's like I'm on a pogo stick or something like that. It's kind of naughty. Sorry, Sid.
Gang. We want slap rotation now. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watching for, send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. See you later, Bitcoin. Bye-bye, soul. Elevator down. Losing control. Trapping the post, drop at the top. Get out the way of the big old drop. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it pause. Send it to 0. Send it to 0. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Pay yourself on the way down. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. 2 in the chat if you are short. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it. Dump it. Watch it fall. Send it to 0. Rip the band-aid off into the ground. Take the liquidity, sweep the low. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. Put a 2 in the chat if you are sharp. Dump it. Dump it. Down to the floor. Dump it.
Horses, do you want to say good morning? Do you want to say good morning to everybody? Yeah. They're all here waiting for you to say good morning. Can you say gang, gang, gang?
Dan, dan, dan.
And say horses. A, B, C, D.
C, A,
E, F, G, K, L, M, N, O, P. Good job. Now, can you say up or down? 1 or 2? Say gang, gang, gang.
Dan, dan, dan.
Good job. Horses. Yeah, we can look at some horses later, buddy. I love you. Say bye-bye. Are you waving? Are you waving? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Go be good for your mother. I'll be done shortly. Mwah. Aw. Mwah. I love you. Guys, why didn't I? What is with this coffee long lately? Are you guys for real? Put a 1 in the chat if you're coffee long. What the really? Really? What the actual? What the actual? He loves horses lately. I told him I'd get him a moose. This is ridiculous. This coffee long thing is getting out of control, man. That one day it cost me $5,000, and ever since that day, look at this. Absolute knob cheese. Really? Just swept this? Fair value gap? The tiniest fair value gap? You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Oh man. Oh man. We're playing against AI, man. We're in a simulation. Yeah. Every day. Yesterday too. All week. Wild. That is crazy. Well, top of the hour, 9 o'clock. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. Back to the 50-yard line, yeah. It's an amazing thing that coffee long. You guys all FOMO smash by this thing. This is some bullshit. You know? Some bullshit. NASDAQ ain't even pumping. They just knew the coffee long was on. Solana's not even doing that. Bear divs SFP. This is such a good trade too, man. Like no drawdown. Holy smokes. Let's get it off the screen. Otherwise, I'm going to be upset and just talk about it. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 373 absolute legends. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Susan winning the giveaway again. I see your ticket, bro. I see you. Go live trading in the Discord right after this. Straight into the Discord, straight into trading. Continuing our beautiful journey with everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Smash up those like buttons, please, guys. 152. We can do a bit better than that. And thank you for supporting the channel. Okay, we'll see. NASDAQ's ripping, leading the way. Up 1% this morning. SPY looking for the gap. Back up. Oil just continuing to climb, surprisingly. However, market remains not giving two smacks about that. Coffee long is obviously printing, and we're here holding the bag. No trades right now. Taking the trades, showing the trades every single day. Welcome. Thank you for being here. Made 2,300, 2,400 yesterday. Okay. Account growing, showing, taking the trades, showing the trades. No trade right now. Still waiting. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel and supporting me. I do appreciate it. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful trading week. What is this stat here? 42%. A lot of you guys have had a good trading week. Good job, everybody. Good job. It's Donald Trump's fault that you got wrecked, right? That's it. If 95% of traders fail, I mean, and there's 43% people up this week, you're telling me there's a chance. Bro, would never have happened if you didn't have like 5 slurping coffees every morning. Yeah, man. Absolutely. Welcome, Karu. Thank you for subscribing. Sing Games. Look at it again. Bitcoin is an altcoin, yeah. Do you also check alts, bro? Not here really. I mean, I'll take a glance for you, but I'm not the guy who draws lines on his chart on your altcoins typically. We're all here to trade. I scalp the 3-minute time frame on a daily basis, showing you the trades, take the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. That's kind of the goal here. We just want to trade. At the end of the day, my main job is to protect the new trader, to not overtrade, to try and show you how I do it, and hopefully you can learn from that. I think I just show you exactly what I do and what I have been doing for the past 4 years, right? How I make my money, and hopefully that translates to you making your money. That's it, right? Just trying to show you what I do. And we've hit $12,000 trades live. We've also lost $4,000 live. So, I mean, it ebbs and flows. One thing that I think I'm better than most people at is managing my risk and taking high probability trade setups over and over again. That's kind of my deal. And I'll show you exactly how I do it every single day, right? Every single day. I tend to have quite a high win rate, but I'm very quick in and out. And that's how I roll, man. That's how I roll. But we do have an amazing Discord that's full of like-minded traders where we all, have our own strategies. Our community, I mean, there's trades that I normally wouldn't take, but because I trust the traders in my Discord who are also traders, right? Because we're traders helping traders. We're not people who just draw squiggly lines on the chart and hope for the best. We're making a living off of doing this. So, I think that's the key. Full-time traders trying to navigate the charts, very important. And, I get more setups than I normally would have by the community, which is actually a blessing. So when I'm not necessarily looking for a trade, but some of the traders in our Discord are, and we can all learn how to participate in that safely in our own way. You make so much more money because the Discord is an edge. You can ask anybody in the Discord, especially Susan. Susan's cleaning up in the Discord. Susan is just winning all the giveaways, and it's good. It's good. I love seeing you guys win, though. But thank you guys for being here and hanging out. Good morning. Happy Friday. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful week. And if you haven't, well, hopefully we can make it a little bit better. It's good times here. Pretty incredible. Good morning, Trenchy. Good to see you, bro. Levin, good morning. Curbstar, Andy, gang. I started at the top of the friggin' Trump and chickened out. That's okay, man. Andy, you know there's going to be tons more, man. You're in the Discord. You've been crushing it. I've seen you working hard at it, man. Don't think I don't notice, man. Can we have another quick top down? Yeah, top down's easy today. We haven't moved much, so if anything, the oscillators have reset. Very similar to yesterday. So swing high to swing low, golden pocket tap, 2 rejections down, swing low to swing high, golden pocket tap, double bottom continuation in a range, right? Very simple area because of what? Because we don't have a lot of macro volume. If we zoom out between here and here, there is not a lot of data, okay? So it means that price is going to move like an absolute... Well, you guys have been trading it the past couple of days. It's moving like all over the place because there's not really stopping points for volume from historical data, so there's not really key levels for it to find. So your actual most valuable thing is to understand that, hey, man, we're chop solidating right now. That's very valuable. And then swing highs to swing lows and looking for continuation. We did not come down to our macro trend line in here, order block tap that I would have liked. However, we have consolidated sideways here. Up is the macro trend. Very simple. Okay. Pullbacks are for buying, especially on the NASDAQ. We were looking for this on the NASDAQ all yesterday. So any pullbacks were for buying. That was good. Now we have this uptrend. Pullbacks are for buying. Continuation. Okay. NASDAQ has been a good tell if you treat it with respect. Looking at this generally, so buy low, sell high, hot dog of the range, right? Continuation up. Very aggressive move this morning. Friday. So what does Friday mean? It means Trump tweets, right? Trump likes to protect the stock market, so we tend to be a victim of his tweets, not only yesterday, but going into the weekend and onto the weekend, right? So what are we looking for here? We have a break and a break and a break and a break. What do I mean? We broke the high here, then we broke the low here, then we broke the high here, then we broke the low here, then we have a break of here, right? So now we are in seemingly an uptrend internally here. However, we have yet to mitigate this first high from yesterday where we did short in the otter gang. So that was the money printer for me yesterday. But right now, the key is taking this high and seeing if we can continue to roll upwards. Okay, coming into the weekend, 80,000 is the main target for this move. However, we're very overextended. So one thing that we must understand going into Fridays and going into the weekend is that where are we at, how we're looking to get there, and how will we get there, especially in this macro crazy uptrend that we are currently in. Okay, the thing is NASDAQ is like literally straight up. So what goes up must come down eventually. That would be a very, very bad sign for any sort of asset. Okay, so we watch that very closely. Whenever we have pushed, the bullish momentum is extremely strong, and anytime we've distributed, we have failed to push higher. Okay, you can see that we have failed to push any higher than a retracement continuation, a retracement continuation, a retracement continuation. Okay, but what this has done, in my opinion, has left imbalances all the way down. So you can see that these non-full aggressive retracement continuations have left a lot of liquidity to be taken. So if this, then that. If we do manage to get, the macro 12-hour SFP that we were watching for. And I seen a lot of Discord members take that short from that level given advance. However, this is a very aggressive uptrend. So we want to jump on trend as best as possible. So pullbacks are generally for buying. However, we're in an area that has little to no data right now. You can see anytime we have blasted through this area on the higher term timeframes, we have not really stopped, okay? Meaning if we look at this from a volume perspective, we can see simply that this is an area where we don't have a lot of data, all right? You can call me data. I don't mind. It's okay. We all, you know, daddy wasn't there to take me to the fair. So establishing some sort of price action and some sort of data within this area is going to be critical for us to continue. What does that do? It puts in a shelf of volume such as the $72,000 level. So if we get acceptance below $72,000, we're going to the lows. Very simple. However, if we hold above $72,000 and we continue, then we're coming up into this area. If we get acceptance above 84, then guess what? We're in range-bound territory here. Okay, so range to range, level to level. Can we get going, or are we going to get, you know, that beautiful, you know, capitulation event that we would love to see, where it wrecks everybody and then we get going? Okay, we'll be waiting for this guy if we get it. So if this, then that. Prepared traders are profitable traders. So we have our levels. You know, it's very important for us to understand where we're at in order to know where we're going. My chart gets very etch-a-sketchy on the shorter term time frames, but that's how I roll. Looking at market cipher, the higher term time frames are bullish, looking for continuation. However, when we get into the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 for the top-down analysis, we can see that, you know, generally here we're looking for the 4-hour to continue. We were waiting for the VWAP crossover. We finally have gotten it. Okay, so this is bullish, looking for continuation up here since the ramping down below. And then, you know, beach ball underwater kind of effect with the VWAP, and then pop coming back up, rotation upwards. Here, 3-hour looking good, but the 2-hour is really the juicy one. The 2-hour trigger wave crossing over the 0 line is what we were looking for actually yesterday, and we didn't get it, but here we go again. Right, round 2, fight, right? So looking for this to pop off, right? Resetting green money flow looking good. Stochastics holding the upper bands, posturing to the upside. So happy days looking strong. And then the 1 hour here holding quite strong as well. Very choppy, right? We see all these drives down below here, right? Higher high, higher low. We haven't gotten that higher high yet, so we haven't had a candle close above this high yet, which doesn't justify us looking for this long here, but consolidation in a very high macro range. We are looking for continuation pushes, but you can see here how choppy we've been this week. Okay, so protecting yourself, looking to buy low, sell high, generally treating this like a range until proven otherwise. So we can be looking for shorts here with confirmation, but we need to be prepared that way, right? Pullbacks are for buying. Obviously the the coffee long has been playing, which is kind of annoying, but you know, coffee longs are part of the channel. So swing high to swing low, golden pocket, 786 level, liquidity in the highs up here, liquidity in the lows down here. Which direction do we go? Well, our macro bias is still up, so we look for this to generally push higher and come for the liquidity of the high here, right? If this, then that. So we treat it like a range. Short-term time frames 24, 12, right? Both overextended to the highs here. However, just pushing. So can it continue? We'll see. Nice little sweep down, grab some liquidity out of this candle, and looks like it wants to continue onwards and upwards. NASDAQ melting faces to the upside as well, and the SPY filling that gap from the other day. So that's bullish because it's filled it and then it's recovered from it. So this is a good sign for the SPY. We'll see how it opens up this Friday. That's the top down right now, and that's how I'm prepared. We'll see where we get to. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel, and thank you for smashing those likes and subscribing if you're new. All that good stuff. Will go live trading as well today after the live stream in the Discord, and hopefully we all crush it today, and hopefully you've crushed it this week. I do appreciate you guys. What did we do? Wait, did we do the giveaway? Yeah, we just did a giveaway on Wave Cypher's channel, but we can potentially do another one if you guys are if you guys are well behaved. What are we at? 170 likes. If we get to 250 likes, then I'll do another giveaway. How about that? That's fair, right? Marion, 3 hours analyzing, and then you took a break. Nice. Well, breaks are important. I'm break even. Literally lost at 2.5% scalp, then gained at 2. There you go. Nice, D Jenny. Lord the devil, man. You can have a weekend timeout, bro. You keep saying like a lot of trash in the comments here, and ain't nobody need time for that, man. Have a wonderful weekend. Ciao. I'm just putting this nuke shit in my chat. Come on, man. Calm down, pussycat. Calm down, pussycat. What's the rules here, guys? What's the rules? What's the rules? Don't be a douche canoe. Be kind. Don't be a douche canoe.
All the gang.
All the gang.
Gang. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang. Gang, 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 gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. 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 Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. Hardest gang, 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 gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. Wait for the trade. All the gang, 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 gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-pamby. Douche canoe. Namby-pamby. All the gang. All the gang. Gang. Wait for the trade.
This is straight
All the
up.
gang, 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 gang.
Thank you, everybody, for being here. I mean, come on. It's Friday, baby. We don't need that. We don't need that ish in our lives, man. We need to sit here and click some buttons. That's it, man. How's that injective trade going on? Oof. That injective trade in the Discord. I gave you guys the first setup and the second setup. There's no reason for the gang not to be up. 6% move, man. Look at that drawdown. 0. Virtual. I gave you guys the re-entry on virtual. 6%. Any of the gang members in the longs that I gave? Come on. A rare AlexOCrypto long. Ondos was in drawdown. It is green now. Sui. Ooh-wee. Sui trying to push. BitTensor. It's up. It's up too. ICUP. What else? Jasmine still looking good. Habar. Guys, man, it's rare that you get AlexOCrypto giving altcoin trade setups in the Discord, but I think I did an all right job spoon feeding, man. Spoons in the chat, baby. Spoons in the chat. Wild times. The biggest spoon in all of crypto. Still holding, says Vinny. Let's go, baby. Hey, coffee long worked 80% of the time. It works every time. It's weird. It's so weird. Like, it looked like we were coming down to VWAP. I just chucked it on there for fun, and we got bear divs in here. Bear divs don't div anymore, guys. Bear divs are irrelevant. I'm kidding. You got bear divs in here, SFP. Bear divs, SFP is nice. Especially when you get the AlexOCrypto level up here, right? You get a little bit of confidence, take that, and then you get the AlexOCrypto level down here. I mean, if you just sold this level and bought this level that I gave you, you guys would be pretty rich, man. We'll see where we get to here. It's looking okay, man. This is looking pretty strong. Retested previous highs, continuation up here. NASDAQ consolidating down here. SPY looking for a little gap up this morning. We'll see how that opens. We got 8 minutes till market open. Thank you guys for being here. I like being green. My seeker phone is killing it today. Nice. Don't be a canoe-shaped douche. Okay. It seems like everybody's had a pretty good trading week this week, so thank you guys for the votes here. We got 336 votes on this, but only 190 likes. I don't get it. It's because it's hard for people to press back on their phone, hit the like button, all that stuff, so I get it. All right. HRJ scaring the Discord, everybody. HRJ scaring the Discord. Uh-oh. LBC's drawn flags. LBC's drawn flags. We're in trouble, guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this is valid? Are you guys a flag trader? I'm not a flag trader. I would never trade something like this, but you guys. I'm not saying it doesn't work. Some people make lots of money off of flags. It's just too simple for me to think that if I draw a flag, right? If I draw this, I'm going to make money. How the fuck is that going to make me money? Sorry, I don't mean to be an asshole. I'll stick with my micro penis trades. It's been working for me. Rotation down here, engulfing candle. Pretty aggressive close. That's pretty ugly coming into market open here. We'll see. What do we got here? We got previous day high. That still needs to be tapped. So previous day high is main target for the day. Okay. After that, we'll see where we go, right? We got our daily low here. Otter block here. Otter block here. High volume otter block down below here. Maybe we get a little bit of a bounce here. Maybe we come back SFP and go. Consolidation. I just don't like the bear div. Double top SFP. Short-term time frame. So this is, enticing buyers this morning and coming into market open week. So interesting open. We'll see how it goes. You will get full access to these otter blocks and my otter indicator. If you sign up with the Bitunix link, we'll have that all set up for you guys when I get back for Vegas. Then we'll be doing lots of Bitunix giveaways as well. If you're using the link, we're going to have thousands of dollars to give away. I'm not even kidding. Which is going to be pretty cool for the family. I'm excited for you guys. I mean, I told you, I sold my left nut for you guys, so we'll figure it out. But thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Almost 455 people in here. Thank you guys. Taking the trade, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. Coming into our local golden pocket right now. This is not ideal where we want to take the long. Okay, not after the mitigation of the high, sweeping this high right here. Okay, taking some liquidity out of the market into our sell wall. This is a local golden pocket 786. Not as strong, right? Fair value got fill. continuation up potentially, but the way and the behavior that it comes into these areas is critical. Okay, fair value got filling, aggressive sell, right? This candle right here, this candle is nasty. Whenever you see a candle, guys, that has no wick, you can get out your microscope. Okay, whenever you see that, you're not buying it. That's just a general rule. Is there any reason to buy this thing? This is saying, hey, you namby-pamby, we're going down. That's all it's saying, right? Okay. So we wait here. There's your sell wall. Sell wall all the way through. Waiting. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. Patience pays. Sometimes I got to repeat it to my damn self, right? Okay. Relax, pussycat. Calm down, pussycat. Yagbag kuliyagbag. He's a town rapist. I like. Oh, man. You're telling me the rubber fist was for the homosexual? Oh, man. Borat, man. Too good. Too good. At what age am I allowed to let my son watch Borat? Oh, man. Jinkui. You're telling me does this car come with the pussy magnet? I like. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, too good, man. Bearish CBD. Yeah, we do have bearish CBD. It's coming down. Gabriel. Bear div, it's coming down. Well, we got bear div, bearish CBD, but your momentum is up still. LBC, we're making fun of your flag, bro. Your triangle. But you're going to print anyways. Shell, is it Shelly or is it soft shell? I'm going to go with Shelly. It's got to be Shelly. LBC in the place to be. Another incredible human and trader. You guys can go to his channel and how should I sell your channel, Lunar Beaches? You come on after work, hard working man comes on, covered in dirt, ready to kick ass,
and we
with the
consolidate
America sunglasses,
and we continue. Consolidate
and,
during the weekend,
handsome
or over
as
the
ever,
weekend,
great beard,
and then get a push.
Good family
to the
man.
I mean, that's actually going into Friday.
A face you'd like to sit on for all the ladies out there. He is married, but you know, good human. Lunar Beaches Crypto. Go and hang out with him too. How did I do, bro? Did I sell you well? I don't know, man. I'll try. I ain't a salesperson. We all know that. Gap up. Here we go. Gap up, rotation down here, losing momentum here on the NASDAQ. Biddy, no longs here. Rotation down. We got a reverse Adam and Eve coming back down. Looking to see if we get VWAP slap here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Happy Friday, baby. Happy Friday. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful weekend. Have a beautiful weekend. We're gonna see what the market brings today. That's for damn sure. Rotation down throughout. Bitcoin coming in for a slap, maybe a bull div here, slap into VWAP. We'll see what we get. Pretty aggressive move down. Same with, I got to get rid of this flag. It's killing me. Sweep and go higher low. Solana Yeah, Solana does not look nice. Losing critical support. All right, rotation down. Got imbalance down here. A little bit of a Bart Simpson. Can we come down? Looks a little bit weak right now, guys. Extremely oversold, though, locally. Oversold locally. Doesn't mean it can't continue. SPY continuing down. Gap fill and go. I like a gap fill and go. If we can gap fill and go, that would be sweet. Defending the low right now. Interesting. You would think it needs to come here. Our fib's a little bit higher, so we go low to high here. Our fib's a little bit higher. Not much. Order block down here as well. Trying to hold the low here. A little bit of a battle. Buyers stepping up. Trying to push price back. Main target today is 78,630. Okay, buyers stepping up here. NASDAQ getting a little bit of a bid. Live trading in the Discord right after the stream here. We'll be doing that too. Scalpaholics. All the scalpaholics. One minute here. 1 minute still looks bearish. Rotation down. Okay, that's a good candle here. Buyers stepping up. Buyers stepping up. NASDAQ pushing. Bull divs on NASDAQ. Trying to go. Failure to push. Retest to previous lows. Resistance. Looking weak right now. Solana as well looks like it wants to fall off a cliff. If Solana loses this area in here, it's yeah, you're back in retesting the highs. Bitcoin trying to hold. Rotation down. Oil is dropping, which is a good sign. SPY is still holding here. NASDAQ, bull divs, trying to push out. Still no trade, taking the trade, showing the trades every single day. 505, everybody. 500 people here. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out. God bless you. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Thank you for supporting the channel and hanging out here. Hopefully we can find something today. Market ciphers overextended. However, we do have buyers stepping up here clearly. Holding VWAP, trying to push up. Let's see if we can go here. Into that otter block. Otter block bounce. Continuation up. Good push here. Bull divs on the DAC. Holding nicely here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Retest to previous lows here. 1s and 2s. 3s for hands. If you're on the hands, that's me, man. We're handymans today. Good morning, Cockatoo. Good to see you. Longs, shorts. Which way is Susan going? He's winning all the giveaways lately. Can men sit on his face? I don't know, man. I don't know. Don't have the answers, Trenchy, bro. Don't have the answers. Look at all. Susan's in the handyman. Susan's a handyman, guys. So no alpha from Susan right now. Long hands. Chantel's long. Watch out. Gabriel's short. Everybody, Gabriel's a whale. Nico's on hands. Market's on hands. I like seeing the Discord being handyman right now. It tells me that they're being patient. They're waiting to strike. They're waiting to strike. You're taking your son to see monster trucks tomorrow? Gravedigger? Grave digger, man. Every kid needs a grave digger. Retest our previous lows, continuation down here. 5-minute wick test. Yeah, splitting hairs. Choppy at the toppy, guys. So rotation down is more expected. How we behave down here is critical. Or it is Friday. Thank you for being here, guys. Fridays, prepare for some tweets. That's all I got to say is prepare for Friday tweets and Saturday tweets and market manipulation. It's been rampant lately. So your number one job, in my opinion, right now as a trader is to protect that capital, baby. That's it. Protect it so that you can live to trade another day. That is critical as a trader. And right now is not the time to, full port on anything. I have reduced my size by I've cut my size in a third. Right? Normally I'm risking 3,000 to make 9,000. I'm risking 1,000 to make 3,000 nowadays, just because of the way this market is. Right? I'm not gonna go and get Trump tweeting on my ass and slip me $4,000. F that. I'm not gonna give Orange Man that power. Markets are hard enough, let alone with Tweety Bird here. So make the adjustments according to the conditions of the market. Trade the market you have, not the market you want. Okay? That's not my words. That's from people that I've listened to who are profitable traders, who have taught me. Make sure you're listening to people who are profitable traders with receipts. Trades by Matt is who I always suggest you guys. If you want to learn how to scalp like me, I've learned from people like Trades by Matt. Okay? I've taken what they do. I've implemented it to work for myself. You always give credit to where credit is due. Okay? Maybe we send you over there today out of respect, which I tend to do at least once a week. All right. Buyers stepping up on that candle there. Trying to go. Hanging man engulfing. Trying to continue up here. Buyers stepping up here clearly couldn't stop this from pushing. Not full gap fill and go, but we'll see. Still looking for this gap to be filled. Still causes me concern for downside pressure here. Patience, patience, patience. Chop in the middle. Hot dog zone, guys. We don't trade the hot dog, okay? You don't need to get noodle slapped. I'm sure, you don't need the market to noodle slap you guys. So we're right in the hot dog right now. We want to trade the buns. Right in the middle. Right. I mean, the middle of the range is kind of in here as well. This is the top of the range. Looking to come for that previous day high. 78,630. Market cipher is resetting on. So on the 12-minute here, it's still curling down here after that aggressive push up and consolidation. So this looks like consolidation continuation. However, bearish divergence up at the highs into our golden pocket 786 resistance area up here can cause this thing to at least come down for a retest into this zone in here, right? So we should be looking for this, but because we've taken the high here. But trading it here is, unless you're in and out like a good Boy Scout, you're waiting for this. Yeah, this 24-minute. If VWAP can hold and bounce, we could look for this to rotate up like this, but this is not looking good right now. The 1 hour does have a trigger wave to the upside, which could have already played, so don't think it's not already done with, because we are rolling over right here. And then the 2 hour trigger wave is playing out as well, but very choppy, as we can see on our higher term time frame analysis. So if this, then that. No, I do not want to close my tabs. But hey, it's been a great week trading. Big deposits, big deposit energy. Paying myself. Made 20 racks in the past couple weeks. 20 racks, man. It's $27,000 Canadian. Deposited into the bank. Shown with receipts every single week, every single day. You get all the receipts here. Nothing to hide. I'll show you mine. You show me yours. Good fun. You know, sharing is caring. Traders helping traders. That's what it's all about. Rotation down here. You guys can long it. Weakness up at the highs. NASDAQ. Still, NASDAQ doesn't give a shit. Clearly. NASDAQ does not care. SPY does not care. Oil is rolling over. Not fully, but has broken this low. Bitcoin, slap and go. Slap and go, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. How's the chat doing? You guys having fun? Give us that view. I asked for the VWAP slap, but it's conditional. It's the way the price works its way into the VWAP that's going to allow me to justify executing a trade. Four hour, 1 hour, head and shoulders too. Yeah, careful. I agree. I'm finally profitable. Tempting to add size. No, don't. I got to a certain amount of size after building my account, and it only traded less than 1%. I could have risked $1,000 per trade, but I stayed. I risked 300 to make 900. That was my bread and butter for like 2 years. 300 to make 900, and I had a bigger account. I had a 100K account that I could have risked 1,000 to make 3,000. But there's a whole psychological jump when doing that. I've only started really adding size in the past 6 months. But there's a whole different level to getting. When you grow up poor and you can lose your rent money in one trade, it's effed up, man. When I can press buy like this and take a $3,000 loss, it takes some time to build that up. Okay? There's a whole different game after that, right? I add size because I want my community to add size, and I also want to make more money and be better, right? This is never stop learning career, man. This is nonstop. Markets conditions always change. Price action is always different. Volatility is always different. Liquidity. Developing the edge in the market's the hardest thing to do. And so far it's been working for me. Hopefully it can help work for you. But remember the statistics, right? The most important statistics to understand. If you want to be different, you got to act different. If you want to be an outlier, you got to be different, right? 95% of people fail at this. That means you're fucked. If you don't do what? If you don't become a good loser, if you don't implement strategy, if you don't implement risk management, okay? These are the things that the people who are successful do to be profitable, okay? If you want to be the 5%, you got to act like the 5%, right? The other thing that's very important is even if you're a fucking great trader, meaning you're 60, 70, 80% win rate, that means you lose 40% of the time, okay? Oh, don't look at your win rate, look at your lose rate. That will justify you using a stop. Okay, these are the things that I try to do. Have rules. Green light trading. When am I allowed to trade, right? A loss maximum drawdown day, right? A loss limit. A profit limit. Don't give it back. A lot of people, they'd be up for the day. They're up $1,500. They're up $200. They're up $100. Then they think they can keep making money, and the market will take it back. You're up for the day generally on what you normally trade. You take that money and you run and you go and enjoy your day. That's why you got into trading, for time freedom. You didn't get into this to frigging work 8 hours a day, 10, 12 hours a day like you are now. You're all here to quit your job, spend more time with yourself and your family, go find your dream girl, dream man, whatever. So treat it as such. Invest in yourself, but also be kind to yourself, right? Right. My greatest gift is, I come on, I trade for 4 hours, I update the Discord and all that stuff, but I get to go and hang out with my son. What father like myself, who was a carpenter, who worked 12-hour days, swinging a hammer all day long, gets to hang out at home and click a couple buttons and hang out with his family? That's me today, right? I hope that for you guys. I pray for that for you guys. But I mean, I was obsessed. I'm still pretty obsessed, guys. But I would teach in 5 Discords. I only slowed down all the teaching I did this year. Ask Piper. Ask anybody. I teach in Tom Crown's Discord. I taught in Piper, in Chart Prime all week long. Okay, rotation down here. Weak. Hanging man engulfing candle to the downside. Lower orb. I want you all to win, though. And I don't want you to just eat. I want you guys to feast, man. There's money to be made here. You too can have $150,000 months. I believe it. Do you believe it? Or do you just pissed off all the time about trading and you think the market maker is hunting you? Attitude is a big thing too, right? You will have bad weeks. You will have great weeks. You will have average weeks. That is trading. Lower orb holding here. God, that's a tease, man. That is such a tease for me. NASDAQ consolidation chop. It's like it's waiting for a tweet. That's what this looks like, guys. It's literally waiting for a tweet from this guy. I want to see a slap right through VWAP, and then a reclaim of VWAP, and we long this bitch to the high here. That's what I want to see right now. Will it happen? We'll see. I'm probably like spitting too much facts for people. I'm so glad I found you before you stopped hackers. Yeah, I used to teach in banter too. Yeah. This month I've made, so for April, in general, what have I put in the bank or what is in the account? Since February, I turned 10K into 30K. Then I went down to 15K. I turned that into 30K. And then I went to 15K and I turned that into 40K. And now I went from, this week I went from 15. No, I went from 20 to, well, I deposited. So I'm at to 2370 right now. Okay. So 20, 15, 25. Let's just call it 4. You do the math. Okay? You do the math. Okay? That's since February. Into the bank account. That's the key. Into the bank account. It's all fine and dandy to say you've made X amount of money. Are you willing to pay taxes on it? That's what I got to tell you. Are you willing to put, and I show the deposits in the Discord. Here's the last 20,000. converted into NDAX, withdrawal into your bank. All right. Where's the other one? We can keep going here. Okay. I show it all. Here's the conversion USDT to USDC 20,000, withdraw into bank account. Showing the trades, taking the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. My wife hates that I tell you guys these things, but I feel like there's a responsibility to the new trader. How much tax does Canada take? Google it, man. Google it. Google it. Fucking like 53%. And that doesn't include everything else you pay taxes on. Canada will absolutely... That's what Canada does to you for taxes, guys. Are you playing basketball, buddy? We're about to get a VWAP slap. My son's obsessed with basketball. He doesn't know that his father's 5'4", and it's probably doomed for him. I mean, I used to touch backboard when I did layups when I was a kid, but it's all the hidden taxes too, Kodak. My poor son. Jimbo, man, you're not supposed to touch your schlong until after the stream, man. Why Canada? Why not USA? I was born in Canada, man. I was born in Canada. I've lived in Australia. I've lived in England. I've lived in Scotland. I traveled for like 3.5, 4 years. For me, it was just about finding a base from my family to settle down in, somewhere to hide. It's not my job to complain about taxes. It's my job to earn enough to laugh about taxes. That's how I look at it. Yes, I can move to Dubai and get a sunburn every 2 days and, pay no tax. I can move to wherever, Philippines, and have these lady boys trying to touch my son, It is probably better. I would love to live in Florida because I love golf. I love sports in general, but I do love golf because I'm an old man now. No trade here, still waiting. VWAP slap. Get through it. Get through it, please. Nasdaq's dumping, no trade. S&P still needs to come through, no trade. Trapping VWAP traders. No trade here. Slap and go. No trade. There's no reason to long this in here. That's just knocked out all the VWAP traders. Rotation down. How about that for rotation down? Aggressive moves through VWAP, it's typically bearish. Still not filled on SPY. Waiting here. Mitigation of the low, continuation down. Nice short, everybody. Bearish divergence, nice short. Now we're looking for shorts to retest the previous lows VWAP. Or breakdowns, typically bearish as well. Pretty aggressive through. See if we can bounce back here, reclaim. Coming to golden pocket. Potential long down here. Nasdaq still rolling over. SPY still rolling over. Weakness throughout. No bids. Friday might just put us in a range over the weekend, man. It might be that range bound bullcrap, right? That's nasty. That's coming back for late shorts. See if we can push here. Considering a long. If we can push here. Nasdaq's got to go here. Considering a long. Let's do it. See if we can push up here. Oof. Push, Biddy. Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on. VWAP reclaim, orb reclaim, follow through. Can we get going here? Stalling out a little bit here. Don't be a dick for a tick. We gonna get filled here or no? I'm gonna go stop loss to entry. Too many times, guys. Too many times, don't get filled. Come on, push. Let's go. Stopped out? Really? Chart delay? Stopped out. Down 180. Good stop out. I don't mind getting stopped out there. Down 180. Wouldn't fill me. Stalling out. When price action stalls out like that, I generally... You don't see a bid coming in, so you're generally looking for rotation down. Or opposite direction. That's just fine. Good risk management. Break-even trade, basically, for me. On to the next one. It was all there. VWAP reclaim. Close above orb. Continuation up. Potential, but rotation down. Nasdaq not catching the bid that we wanted to see. Nasdaq caught a nice bounce, but didn't follow through. The SPY's still saying that we need to come down and fill this. On to the next one. Very choppy market, as you guys can see. Down 180 today. We'll battle back. That's a very minuscule loss anyways. All right. NASDAQ still looks good. See if we can come into golden pocket and bounce. Patience here. Maybe Thailand. I don't really want to live in Thailand, man. It's fucking humid and shit. Don't forget I'm Canadian, man. I like the cold. I like hockey. For how long do you trade, man? I trade from 8 a.m. till 10:15 every morning with everybody. And then I go into the Discord. What if this is the start of the dump that brings us to 60K? Then perfect. I know how to jump on a good dump, man. I would love that. I'm here for it, man. Up, down, all around. I don't care if we go to 100 or 40 or 30. I don't care. For me, trading has to be separate from our bags, right? We have to be contrarian to everybody's wishful thinking. All right, golden pocket tap now. So retest our previous lows. The orb close kind of got me there. Not a bad trade. I would say this is B plus here. Holding VWAP, push up, orb close. This is typically a good trade. So I can't be definitely not mad about that trade. Kind of happy I took it. Here's our golden pocket. Retest. Rotation down. Rotation down. The rotation down is actually working today. 3 days consolidation. How many years have I traded? Oh, just over 4 years. Yeah. 4 years. It's preparing for a dump, yeah. I mean, the NASDAQ clearly giving it all back, coming back into the range for the weekend, which is, typical Friday price action. Friday, you'll have your week, and then wherever the range has been developed, you'll typically come back and consolidate within that area for the low volume weekend price action, right? Yeah, this is losing quite a bit of steam here, guys. Dusty was right about his head and shoulders, man. We're going to go trade live in the Discord. That's going to be fun as well. I'm excited. I always love trading in the Discord. You guys are a good time. And we get to play music and shit. We'll see. I think someone asked about a sale on the Discord. Our sale for the big sale just ended. I'm sorry to tell you. I'm new here. Jason Casper sent me here. Awesome, man. I love Casper. Casper's family. Great trader, great human. God bless Jason Casper. If you guys aren't subscribed to Jason Casper, I don't know what the hell you're doing. Get over there and subscribe to Jason Casper too, man. Absolute legend in the space. Good human. Always supportive. Join the Casper crew. Great group of traders giving trades just like we are. And, nothing wrong with that. I love seeing other people win too, man. It's all about, I want everybody to feast, right? We all want to eat. So go and support Jason Casper as well, man. Great human, good person. Bitcoin, weak, man. Weak Bitcoin this morning. SPY needs to come lower. NASDAQ chopping. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin not catching any bids here. Trying to get back above that VWAP golden pocket tap right now. Weakness at the highs. Weakness at the highs. Happy Friday, everybody. I'm going to Vegas, so there won't be the similar live on Monday to... well, the conference is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So if you want the same live stream, it's not going to be available. So I'll try my best to show up. I will show up for the Discord, but this is looking quite dumpy today, guys. Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. However, it is a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Watch out for those crazy ass tweets. I'm going to send you over to Trades by Matt, one of my favorite traders in the space. Always got to show some respect every now and then. So thank you guys for supporting the channel, hanging out here. God bless you. Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them